Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video and a bit of an update on Tellor. All right, wanted to do an update on this because I mean, in the end, Tellor. I know I'm a little bit like I always say, it's manipulated, and some of you take that the wrong way, I think. But I still think that there's a lot of potential in Tellor. And it's been laying low for a little bit, for a couple of days here, 3 days or so. But it's still up there. It's still reacting very positively to most support levels. You can see right here, yesterday, with that bearish momentum we got from Bitcoin, we dropped down below the 236 fib of this move up. So that's a bit of a bearish confirmation. But we have found support at the 2080 EMA here, for example, at 116 and 115. That's a strong support level. So I would say Tellor still has a chance to rally. There's not much to cover today, so that's why I just wanted to give you my thoughts on Tellor. Now, in general, even though we have bullish and bearish indications, while I try to fix my mouse, overall we're still bullish. All right, we haven't even retraced to the 50 EMA and the 382 fib. That's the main support level right now. All right, so that's the level ultimately between 110 and 100. Quite a big level, quite a strong level. All right, you have 100, which is also a psychological support level, and then also supported by major technical levels, like I said, with the 50 EMA, with the 382 fib, and also with technically, historically, a strong key level. So that's potentially an area I would buy from. Another level, if we drop down there, is 85, but that's low. All right. Dropping down there, look, like I said, and I'm not going to give the full explanation again. It's either you know or you don't. And if you do know, great. If you don't know, just believe me, all right? It will not change anything for you except for that you are better prepared. TRB is just historically very manipulated, all right? So what happens is that whoever manipulates this, whether it's whales or institutions or market makers, it doesn't matter. But what happens historically is that after a move like this, you will eventually get a bit of a big crash, all right, by 30-40%. And I know so many people who get liquidated by that, so just be careful, all right? Use those stop losses. Don't use a high position size, etc. For now, but like I said, it doesn't change anything, because eventually it will crash, and you have to know that. But that doesn't mean we cannot rally higher. We can still from here rally up to 200. All right, so it doesn't change anything, but you should know it. So just believe me, all right? But like I said, right now, technically we're still bullish. Momentum has dropped down quite a bit, all right? So what's happening right now is that there's just no movement. The open interest is down. Open interest has been relatively flat since yesterday, which increases the chances that there's some sort of a company or market maker behind this, because it's quite weird that once it turns into the weekend, that then all of a sudden you have no moves anymore, or you have nothing entering positions anymore, for now at least. But that could indicate that there's some sort of a bigger company behind this. Who knows? So what we're waiting for is new momentum and new order flow to hit the table. That's not right now. There's practically like only retail is buying or selling right now. So what we're waiting for is some sort of momentum to kick in. And that's basically the open interest, all right? It's the open interest you need to watch. If we see a big increase with the open interest, historically, that has always meant that we would rally up higher later as well, all right? So that's the one thing you need to watch, the open interest. And then if you just look at the technicals, it seems most likely we're dropping down a bit into 108 and 104 and 100 right here. If we get there, look, that's just a strong buy area. So in the end, like I said, the main thing you need to watch is still the open interest, but that is an area from which it's more likely that the open interest rallies up. And when the open interest rallies up, I'll let you know, all right? Just follow me on X, follow me on Twitter, at Cilinix Crypto, and you will know when that happens. But for now, seems most likely after getting a bit of a bearish retest right here, that we will drop down a bit. I don't expect us to turn bearish yet. And I will keep my eyes on the open interest. If that goes up together with the spot buying, we'll rally again. Until then, probably not much will happen. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.